10, 20, 30, even $40,000 sometimes. We are experiencing appraisals that are coming lower in value than our purchase price. I know, it's frustrating, sometimes even infuriating, right? We are all experiencing right now nationwide shortage of inventory, right? Maybe sometimes filling our brains, what can we do? What can we do to help our clients? And today, guys, this is why we want to jump in and share with you a winning strategy. What's up, guys? My name is Vanessa Toro with Modern Mortgage Advisors. And today I want to share with you a strategy that we're calling our Appraisal Gap Strategy, okay? This strategy is going to help minimize, okay, the immense gap sometimes that a lot of our clients are facing from the appraised value to the purchase price, okay? And how we're doing that is leveraging mortgage insurance. Yep, you heard it right, mortgage insurance. So stick around, let me show you how we're gonna get this done. Not only are we helping our buyers minimize, okay, that immense gap, but we're helping them make informed decisions, educated decisions, but most of all, so they can move forward with full confidence in putting down an aggressive offer, okay? So come with me, let's go ahead and check out the numbers. Now, number one, guys, this strategy is for who? This strategy is for buyers that are conventional, going through conventional financing with a down payment of 10% or more, okay? In the first column, you're going to see, okay, the scenario where, you know, Emily, let's just say Emily, for our client today, wants to put an offer on a $375,000 home. Her realtor, Joe, is telling her, hey, Emily, for you to win over this offer, you need to go in at $420,000. Okay, so Emily right now is prepared to go ahead and do that, and she's actually working with a 20% down payment. So let's go ahead and check out the numbers. So $420,000, 20% of that, we're looking at $336,000 loan amount, rate, payment, and estimated cash to close. Okay, now ordering the appraisal. Appraisal comes in. Let's see the second scenario. Let's say the value comes in at $395,000. Now, what are we dealing with, ladies and gentlemen? We are dealing with a $25,000 gap. Okay, so what does that do to financing? Now, remember, guys, okay, in financing, remember that the lender will use the lower of the two, right? Either appraisal or the purchase price. So in this event, right, the financing has to be based on the appraised value of $395,000. Okay. What that does is that it puts us now in a position where the client will have mortgage insurance, right? Because now the loan to value is 85% loan to value, okay? But again, I'm going to show you how we can leverage mortgage insurance to cover that immense gap of $25,000. So let's check out the numbers. Again, same loan amount, same rate, same payment, but check out the cash to close. Now, as you can see, guys, there's a difference of approximately $1,800, right? You might be thinking, well, how is that even possible, right? The gap was 25. And again, this is where the strategy comes in play. So hold that thought for 1 second. We're going to review one more scenario before we review how we're going to utilize MI to leverage and cover that gap, okay? So let's take it even a step further. Let's say now, man, appraisal comes in and it comes in at the original list price at $375,000. Now we're talking about a $45,000 gap. That's huge, right? And most likely, well, people that, of course, can't cover the gap. What do? They cancel the contract, right? And they're done and start from zero again, right? But now with this strategy, check out the numbers. Okay, again, same financing, same loan amount, same rate, same payment. Look at the cash to close. The cash to close difference from the original, okay, to now is approximately $3,600 difference. And yes, the gap was $45,000, okay? Again, so you might be asking yourself, how are you doing this, Vanessa? Let me show you how. We're being strategic, okay? We're utilizing something that's called a single premium mortgage insurance to be able to cover that, okay? So essentially, okay, let's say, just say on the $395,000 value, okay, we are paying, or the buyer's paying $1,820 versus a $25,000 appraisal cap, right, to buy out the mortgage insurance, guys. Okay, and that person, that client, Emily, will not have mortgage insurance for life because she's buying it out, right? And she's not out of pocket an extra $23,000. Okay, same token, on the $45,000 gap. Okay, instead of her coming in with $42,000 difference, right, from purchase price to appraisal, now the difference is only $3,666, right? So this is how this is a winning strategy. We're helping our clients be more creative with their financing options. And again, positioning them in a way where they can move forward with full confidence, with education, and with an aggressive offer. So guys, if you want to learn a little bit more about this, go ahead and click on the Calendly link below. Let's schedule a good time to chat. If you have any buyers right now that are in that situation, let's talk about it, right? Let's see what we can do for them, okay? But here's the thing, guys. It's not your job to explain the strategy. This is our job. This is why we are your lending partner, okay? So this is exactly what we will be doing with your client and explaining to them an A, B, C, and sometimes even D scenario, right? Preparing and giving them all the education and options so that, again, they could move forward with full confidence and peace of mind, especially on their financial future. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. And please feel free to share it with any of your colleagues that you think that can benefit of this strategy. Thanks so much and have a blessed one. Bye.